Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video, I share with you how I prepare oha leaf from the scratch. Exactly what you see on the screen. Keep watching because in this video, I share with you how to prepare your oha leaf, cutting it from the stem, and how to cook your soup to look this presentable. So first I have my oha leaf. This is what oha leaf look like from the stem if you've not seen it before, and you can get this from any market. So here are my other ingredients. I'll be using cow leg, cow head. I have cow stripe and beef. Then I have my stuffed fish head. Stuffed fish head gives a nice flavor to your oha soup. Then I have my yellow chili pepper, blended crayfish, and then I have my ofo. That is what I'll be using to thicken salt. Then I have egusi and seasoning. Then I'll be adding uziza leaf. If you've not seen uziza leaf before, this is what it looks like. So everyone, let's start cooking. First, in a pressure pot, I will add my cow head, cow skin, cow stripe, and the beef. The reason is because these three have the same cooking time: the cow stripe, the cow head. So next I'll go ahead and add 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon of seasoning, dry ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 big bulb of freshly chopped onions. Then I will go ahead and use the turning stick and mix to combine and allow to cook for 30 to 40 minutes on a high flame. While that is aside, this is how we prepare our oha rice from the stem. First, cut the root and then begin to cut the leaves out from the stem, exactly how you see me do. And then next, you take your time to cut. You can cut them into 3, into 4, depending on the quantity or the size you would prefer. But if you don't have this energy, you could use knife to cut yours. But for oha soup to come out very nice, I always love to use my hand to pluck them out from the stem, exactly what you see me doing right now, and then cut into 3. The same thing go with the uziza leaf. Uziza leaf is another leaf that gives nice flavor to your oha soup. All the names and quantity of all the ingredients used in this recipe will be at the description box. Keep watching and don't forget to like, comment, share if you have the ability to do so. So I will set this aside. Let's check our meat. Everything is properly cooked now, so I will set this aside and then transfer the stock into my cooking pot, the pot for the soup. And also the cow skin will continue cooking there because I would like it to be properly cooked. Do the same if you like it soft. So here in the pot I have the meat stock. I will go ahead and add my stuffed fish head, and then my yellow chili pepper, and then half teaspoon of salt to taste, and allow to cook on a medium flame. After that, I will go ahead and add my palm oil, 260 ml of palm oil, and then go with 3 to 4 tablespoons of crayfish, blended plum. Use according to your taste and cover to cook. After then, you see our milk soup water is bubbling. Next, I'll be adding the thickener that is ofo. You could use ede, that is cocoyam, but in this very soup I'm cooking it with ofo. So I always like to use a turning stick to make sure this thickener sinks very well so it does not form lumps on top, and allow that to cook for another 10 to 15 minutes on a high flame. Next, I will add my egusi. The reason for this is to brighten the face of your soup so it doesn't look brown and so it's very presentable. Everyone, let me know at the comment section if you've tried this, and if you try it, please let me see your results. Tell me what it was like. Alright, so while that is cooking, we go ahead and transfer our already cooked oha leaf and uziza leaf and give it a proper wash. I always like to add some pinch of salt into the water before I add my leaf. Wash properly and transfer into a strainer. Okay, so let's check our soup stock. Wow, you see it is bubbling and everything has blended very well. So at this point, I will just go ahead and add my oha and uziza leaf and then mix the combine on a medium flame for 1 minute. Remember, this is veggie, so you do not want it to overcook so it does not look like soup you've had for a 1 month. All right, this oha soup can be eaten with any swallow of your choice. You can see it is not thick, it is not light. It can be eaten with fufu. The choice is yours, everyone. All right, when you try it, let me know what it was like at the comment section down below. Thanks all my genuine subscribers for your wonderful support. Stay safe, stay connected. See you all in the next video, and bye for now.